Hello everyone. Today in this session I am going to teach you Cbse class 10 Maths chapter 8 exercise 8.2. Now in 8.2 is based on the specific angles. This exercise is based on the specific angles. We have seen all the values of specific angles. So exercise 8.2. The first questions, there are 5 parts, one by one we will discuss each. That is, first one is evaluate. Evaluate means we have to find the value. You can see the first one is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So in this we have to only substitute the value. We know sin 60 is how much? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2, and sin 30 half and cos 60 is half. So we have to only substitute the value in the given question and we have to solve. Root 3 is how much? 3, and 2 into 2 is how much? 4, and in between which sign is there? Plus. So we have to put here what? Plus. Half into half will be how much? 1 by 4. And when we solve this equation, that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, we will get 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. So this is very simple. Only you have to substitute the values. Similarly, the question number 2. It is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So in this what we have to do it? Again we will substitute the value of tan 45. Tan 45 value is how much? 1. But there is square in that. So what we have to do is we have to do square of 1. Plus what we have to do? Cos 30 value. Cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. So we will substitute here 3 by 2. Similarly minus sin 60. Sin 60 is again how much? Root 3 by 2, and it is square, sin square. So what we have to do is, that is, we have to square it, and when we will solve this, what we will going to get? 2, 1 into square will be how much? 2 plus root 3 square. What is the square of root 3? 3, and square of 2 is how much? 4. Then minus root 3 square, 3 again by 4, and we have to solve this fraction and we will get 2. So it is very simple. You can get it by only substituting the values. Similarly, let's see the third one. In the third question you can see that it is cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Cos 45. Now what is the cos 45? 1 by root 2. Then upon we will do, and we will substitute sec 30. Sec 30 is how much? 2 by root 3, and plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is how much? Root, that is 2 only. Cosec 30 is how much? 2. We will substitute all the values in this given question and try to solve. 1 by root 2, find the LCM. This will be root 3 into 2 will be 2 root 3 upon root 3. Now here denominator upon denominator. This you know how to do calculation. This 3 will go in numerator and this will be root 2 will be multiplied with this. So when you will solve this, you will get this value. After getting this value, you can see here you have got root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. After doing the calculation, you can solve this by substituting. Here it is, you see, here it is root 3 plus 1. So it is being rationalized by multiplying root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. You can rationalize because here you are getting root 3 plus 1. So when you will rationalize, you know the method of rationalizing. It will be a plus b, a minus b, which will give you a square minus b square. That is 3 minus 1. So after solving all this value substituting, you will get 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. So in this way you can do it the problem. Here it is in upon, so you have to be careful. If you are getting irrational numbers, you can rationalize it and solve completely to get the answer. And next is part 4, that is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sin 30 plus cot 45 plus plus cos 45 plus cot 45. So here again you have to substitute all the values. You can see 30 is half plus tan 45 is 1 and cosec 60 is root 3 by 2 by root 3. So all this value after substituting, you will get this value 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. In this the denominators are same, so this 2 root by 3, 2 root into 3 will be cancelled. So you will get a simply root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 plus 4. That is, this number is written 2 root 3 plus root 3 will be how much? 2 and 1 will be how much? 3. That wise here you are getting 3 root 3 plus 4. Again after this step you can rationalize it. It is plus, so rationalize with it, conjugate 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4 and solve. You will get the required answer. You can check it, you can solve of your own and verify. You will get the answer. Similarly, question number 5. Only you have to see the format of the questions, how it is given. You can see it is given in a form of this upon. So you have to substitute all the values of the given ratios of cos 60, sec 30, 45. Wherever it is square, you have to square that values. You have to square that. In this question, in all you can see that all values you have to square it. So after substituting all the values, you can come here and solve 1 by 2 square. It will be 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 2 square. Square of 2 will be how much? 4 by root 3 minus 1. And similarly 1 by 2 square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. This will give you all the required solution and then you solved it, find the LCM, solved it, you will get 67 by 12. So this completes your part 1 of exercise 8.2. You can go through this all questions. Now second is choose the correct option and justify. Means what? You have to solve it the question and then you select the option which is similar to your answer. Like here it is given 2 tan 30 degree 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So how to find its value? There are 4 options given to us. Now we don't know out of this 4 which value it is. So what we will do? We will solve it as a problem 2 tan 30 as we have done in question number 1. 2 into 1 by root 3, then 1 plus 1 upon root 3 square. And when you will solve this whole part again, you will get 2 by root 3 into 3 upon 3 plus 1. That is, you will solve it and you will get root 3 by 2. After coming here, now root 3 by 2 you are getting, but here out of 4 options, you don't know that root 3 by 2 is not there. So you have to think over it. Root 3 by 2 is the value of which one? It is of value of sine 60. It is value of sine 60, root 3 by 2. It is also the value of cos 30, but here cos 30 option is not given. So which one will be the answer? Sine 60 degree, that is 1. Then second one is 1 minus tan square 45, 1 plus tan square 45. So it is very easy, only tan 45 value. We know it is 1. Substitute here the values of tan 45. You will get 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1 which is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by any number is how much? 0. So which option will come here? Your answer, that is 145, 145. And here it is not printed. Here it will be 1090 degree. Here it will be 1090 degree. So 1091 sine 45 and your last one is, that is 0. So which option is correct? You can see this option is correct. Here you can write from the book that the question, here it is 1090. So 1090, we know what is the 1090 value. 1090 is, that is here it is not given. 1090 value is not defined. So here this 1090 option will not be there. So now next is question that same question, option third. Sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a is true when a is equals to. Now you have to go on putting this options value. Sine 2a. Now first we will put 0 degree. So when we will put a 0, we will get what? Sine 2a means 2 into 0 will be how much? Sine into sine 0. What is the value of sine 0? 0. And 2 sine a means 2 into sine 0. And what is the value of sine 0? That is 0. So 2 into 0 is what? 0. So means for both the condition you are getting here sine 2a is also you are getting 0, and when you are substituted 2 sine a, then also you have got 0. So in first option when you have substituted 0 value, there only this satisfied. So you don't have to check 30, 45 and 60. You can get the values. That is at what value you are getting both left hand side and right side equal at a is equals to 0. Similarly, fourth one, that is 2 tan 30 degree 1 minus tan square 30 degree. You have to solve this question. Tan 30 you have to substitute this value 1 by root 2. Root 3 you have to substitute, and here again 30 value 1 by root 3 square. When you will substitute this value and solve, you will get the answer of root 3. Now root 3 again, here you can check the options here. Tan root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. So we can equate it to tan 60 degree. Here cos 60, we know cos 60 degree is how much? 1 by 2, which is not, we are not getting answer. Sin 60 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Again we are not getting this value. Tan 60, we know tan 60 is how much? Root 3. So which option will be correct? Tan 60 is the correct option. So in this way you can solve the option question number 2, and you can verify your or justify your answer. So in today's session we have done question number 1 and 2. Thank you.